Please watch this video until the end. There is a revelation and a charge for your life that you must hear in full. Chapter 1. A Voice from the Heavens. I speak to you as one who has stood at the threshold of glory and looked into the abyss. I am sent, not by my own courage alone, but by the one who commands armies of light. The book of Revelation speaks in symbols and in thunder. It speaks of battles, judgments, and the ultimate restoration of all things. Today, I stand before you to declare what is happening now. The facts of the revelations are not distant stories. They are present stirrings, moral collapse, great conflict, prophetic alignment, natural upheavals, and spiritual awakening. This is the hour when choices are sharpened and destinies revealed.